Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. So the weather is getting warmer and we're starting to get a lot of calls on Dometic air conditioners. One of the questions we get a lot is what's the difference between the 13,500 BTU Dometic Brisk II air conditioner and a 15,000? On my screen here you can see I have a 15,000 BTU Dometic air conditioner, but if you look and you put the two side by side, you would honestly not be able to tell the difference. So if you do pay for a 15,000 BTU RV rooftop mounted air conditioner, you want to verify the model number and serial number and all that good stuff and cross-reference it online with what Dometic Corporation shows you. Now, that being said, 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner is going to be in your larger fifth wheel RVs, but sometimes people put them in smaller ones because it will cool it down a lot better when it really starts to heat up. Our recommendation, if you're in a climate that gets really warm, is to at least have two air conditioners, and if it gets into the 90s and up into the triple digits, it's always a good idea to have two 15,000 BTU RV air conditioners, and it's going to do a pretty good job of keeping your RV cool. Now, if you're here because your Brisk II Dometic air conditioner 15,000 BTU is not working properly, just remember we always want to have a professional check it out, make sure that the capacitors are good, the lower control kit, all that good stuff. But if you know for sure that it needs to be replaced, or you're just looking to add one, this is a great option, and you can actually get the lower ADB kit or the manual ducted. It's up to you, and they both work really great. But as far as installation goes, the one where it's just the controls are manual on the bottom and it's mounted to the ceiling, it's very simple to install. I mean, you literally remove the vent on the roof, put the new unit on, and you got to have 120 there, obviously. But and then you wire it up to the lower unit and put it all together. A good technician should be able to do this in about an hour. So it may take him an hour and a half or two because he's got to take it up on the roof. But that being said, if you guys are struggling right now to keep your RV cool and you're in the heat, I'm sorry. I will post some links below where you guys could buy one of these and probably get it a lot faster than you could get an RV technician out there to replace it or repair it. But for that matter, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And just remember, 15,000 BTUs is typically for a larger RV, but if you put it in a smaller one, it will cool it down a lot faster. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video, and be sure to check out our other videos on our channel.